Hello everybody, welcome to Gregsbeerreviews today. Let's take a walk and go see what's in the fridge today. Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by Gregsbeerreviews today. Big 16-ounce can here. This is Belching Beaver Brewing Phantom Bride IPA. And it's an American IPA coming in at 7.10% ABV on this one. These guys are out of California, and I picked this up from Donovan and the guys out there at Servall Liquors in San Diego, craftcity.com on the internet. Check them out on the internet, guys. And if you're not in the San Diego area where you can just run by there and pick up something, you can go to the website and search for some beers that you can't get in your area. As long as your state allows them to ship beers into your area, you can order stuff up and have it shipped to your door, and just like I do, and you can taste some stuff that's not available in your area. So check them out, guys. This is the Deftones Phantom Bride IPA, and this is the second one that I think I've had from Belching Beaver that has some kind of reference to the Deftones. The commercial description says, named after the ethereal song and one and only Deftones. Phantom Bride IPA is a blend of Amarillo, Citra, Simcoe, and Mosaic hops. All excellent hops, guys. Delicately balanced for the perfectly drinkable mix of citrus and hoppy goodness, a truly original Deftones / Belching Beaver collaboration envisioned by Chino Marino, imagine that, and skillfully crafted by Thomas Peters. Sit back and put on your headphones and drink away. So, not listened to a bunch of Deftones before. Probably a pretty decent group. I don't know. Not me, not my style of music more than likely. I'm an old guy. I like classic rock. That's what I listen to. A little bit of the new country stuff. Not much. But that's neither here or there. Let's get on with this one. Don't want this to be a hugely long video. So, well, we've gone over everything. So let me get the top popped on this. And I will look at the bottom, and it does not have a date on this. So that would be a fuss that I would have. If they don't have a dating machine, they need one. They've been around probably long enough that they could afford to do it, and they choose not to, so not too good as far as I'm concerned. If you're going to make IPAs, you need to have a dating machine, guys. That's the way I feel. Just me, though. Into the glass we go. Cuisine is curried in Thai. Cheese is earthy. Cheese is peppery. Monterey, pepper jack, sharp, blue, cheddar. Your more stronger cheeses. Meats, poultry, fish, shellfish, and salmon. I'll add grilled meat to that. Glass part, pint backer, not that tumbler mug, side down. I'm using my favorite tulip glass. Not recommended for standing celery. Another reason we need to have a date, canned date on the bottom of it, so we know how fresh the beer is that we're purchasing. My 2 cents, if this was available here on the shelf and I picked it up and didn't have a date on it, you know what I would do? That's right, I would put it right back up on the shelf. Alright, about a finger of head on that pour. It is a slightly hazy. It is, I would bet that it is a filtered beer, guys. It is no juice bomb by any means. Not super cloudy. Let's get a nose to it. Nice amber color though. Very nice hop presence too. Definitely a West Coast style. I am getting pine, grapefruit, pineapple, very citrusy. a little bit of dankness, and some nice tropical fruit notes. Yeah, oh yeah. Smells good. Smells really good. Evidently I've got a fresh one here. How are we to know though? Well, we don't. Cheers everybody. Cheers Donovan and the guys out there in Servall Liquors in San Diego. If you're out there in that area, go check them out. Cheers. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice hop profile. What I like, if you're just getting into IPAs and don't like all that big up in your face hops, the one we did yesterday may be more in line. Something a little more balanced between the hops and the malt. This is definitely hop forward, which I like. Very nice hop aroma, guys. Those hops that they've used in there are absolutely Amarillo, Citrus, Simcoe, Mosaic, all excellent hops. That's very tasty. I wish they would date their stuff, guys. That's the only spice I'm going to tell you that I got right now. Now, coming out of the bottom of the can, it looked a little cloudier there. So it may have settled down into the bottom of the can. Yes. Now that I've got the back end of the can down in there, it does look like an unfiltered beer. So a lot of that settles down in the bottom of the bottles. And it can sometimes. Sometimes it don't, but sometimes it does. And that last third of a can, fourth of a can, will change the color and the clarity of the beer. So pretty tasty. Straight out of the fridge. Let me let her have some and sip on it for a little bit, and we'll come back. Alright guys, I'm back. Got this little left here. Very tasty beer. A very nice West Coast style IPA. Very delicious. If it had a date on this can and it was available here, I would buy this beer. It is a very, very tasty beer. It has very nice citrusy notes, pine, grapefruit, pineapple, hints of tropical fruit notes, mango, oranges. Very pleasant. A very nice beer. Bottle chug. In my humble, honest opinion, guys, this is a 9 beer in an 8 can. It is very, very tasty. I enjoyed this. This is definitely worth one picking up if you can get it fresh, and without a date, I don't know how you're going to know that. So, unless you go to the brewery and pick it up there. So, very nice beer. Very nice. I did enjoy this. Like I said, 9 beer in an 8 can. I'm going to give this A-. 8 is where I'm going to put it, and that would come out to about a 92, guys. So let's run over to Beer Advocate, and Beer Advocate says 88. I think it's a little better than that. So over to Untapped. Untapped has it at 4.02, which is in their A- scale too. I'm more likely to agree with you guys at Untapped on this one. It is a very tasty beer. I just wish they would date their stuff. That would be the only reason that I would not buy it if it was available here, not having a date on it. So, other than that, very tasty. Definitely worth trying if you can get it fresh, guys. So, if you've had this one from Belching Beaver, their Phantom Bride IPA, Deftones Phantom Bride IPA. Let me know what you think. And until we meet again, let's go see what's in the fridge.